Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we group and ungroup our data in an Excel workbook. So in this particular sheet I have created a table here, as you can see, and let's say I want to group this quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. So what I'll do is I'll just select all this and go to data tab. Then over here, as you can see, there is group. If I click here, and here it is asking me if I want to group rows or column. So if I'll click here columns, and if I click OK, then you can see here there is a minus sign popped up here, and all these columns are grouped D, E, F, G. If I click here, as you can see, they are hide, and we cannot see our group data as they are grouped here. If I click plus sign here, as you can see, this is unhide, and now I can see my data. If I click here and if I click on group data here, as you can see here, it is also grouped. And if I want to group the, let's say here I want to group the rows, if I select till here and if I press here group, as you can see, now my rows are grouped here, as you can see. And if I want to ungroup this, so what I'll do is I'll just click here ungroup. As you can see, there is no plus minus sign is popping up here. As you can see, I can plus hide unhide this group or ungroup, we can say, by pressing here like this. And if I want to remove, like if I want to remove ungroup this, what I'll do is I'll just click OK here, ungrouped. Now it is ungrouped. And if I want to ungroup this also, what I'll do is I'll just type ungroup. As you can see, now my Excel sheet is like in the same order as it is previously. And if I want, like if I'll do it again for you, just group here, group here, okay, columns, okay. So this is the way you can group and ungroup your data in an Excel workbook. And I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and press the bell notifications for further updates. So take care, bye bye.